All right, so here we're supposed to use substitution to solve the following system of linear equations and then check your solution. So that's kind of what the first problem was check. So we know how to do that already. So now what we're just going to do is we're going to solve for x, y, and z given this system of equations. So if we are given z equals 3, we can plug that into here. So we again have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to plug 3 into 2, and so that's going to give us 2y plus 5 times 3 equals 12. That's 15, so I'm going to subtract 15. So 2y equals a minus 3, or y equals a minus 3 halves once you divide by the 2 here. Okay. So now I know z and I know y. So now I can plug it in the first equation and get x. So I get a minus x, and then minus 3 times a minus 3 over 2, and then plus 3, and that's supposed to equal a negative 2. Okay, so working with this, here we have 3 over 1 times the 3 over 2, so that's going to be a plus 9 over 2. So we have minus x plus 9 over 2 plus 3 equals a negative 2. Well, this, I have to get a common denominator, so if I multiply that by 2 over 2, I'll get 6 over 2 plus 9 over 2, so that's going to be 15 over 2, so I'm going to subtract 15 over 2. Now this I have to multiply by 2 over 2, so it looks like a minus x equals a minus 4, a minus 15, so it's going to be a minus 19 over 2. But that's a negative x, so I need to multiply everything by a negative 1, and so that gives me x equals a 19 over 2. So now I've got x, I've got the y, I've got the z, so I say the solution is the 19 over 2, comma, negative 3 over 2, comma, 3. That's what I'm saying is my solution. So now I do the check. And again, I'm going to check it in each equation. So I have a minus x, that's a minus 19 over 2, plus, oops, not plus, minus. Then minus 3 times, and my y is a minus 3 halves. And then I have plus z, which is a 3, and that's supposed to be equal to a minus 2. All right, so here I have to get this one to be a common denominator of 2 over 2. So I have a minus 19 over 2, and then plus 9 over 2, plus 6 over 2, and that's supposed to be a minus 2. Well, this is going to be what? A 15 over 2 minus 19 over 2, so that's going to be a minus 4 over 2 equals a minus 2. Well, that's equal to a minus 2, so that one works. So that equation works. Now let's try 2. Here we have 2 times y, which is a minus 3 over 2, plus 5 times the z, which is 3. That's supposed to be 12. So 2's cancel here and here. So we have a minus 3 plus 15. So 15 minus 3 is 12. So that works. And finally, z equals 3. Well, that's what was given, so yeah, that works. And so that would be our solution, and that would be how we'd write it with the tripled order, the x, the y, and then the z. All right, let's stop there and come back for some more.